Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Apple Motorhome creates a great deal of interest and raises questions about how Apple's well-known design philosophy, technological advancements, and the pragmatic requirements of mobile living might all come together. Even though Apple hasn't formally announced any such product, an exercise in projective description enables an investigation of its potential features. The outside of the 2026 Apple Motorhome would probably emphasize seamless integration and subtle elegance, in keeping with Apple's minimalist design language. Surfaces with clean lines and flush-mounted components may be made of aerospace-grade aluminum alloys. The overall design would probably avoid ostentation in favor of a refined, monolithic shape, possibly using Apple logos that are faintly lighted as the only external branding. Assuming an electric drivetrain, aerodynamic efficiency would be crucial, affecting the vehicle's shapes to decrease drag and improve range. Apple's dedication to high-quality materials and an easy user experience would be embodied in the inside. Large, well-positioned windows that might have electrochromic tinting managed by a proprietary interface would optimize natural light. The living area would probably be flexible and modular, with voice-activated devices controlling the entertainment, lighting, and climate. The materials would mostly consist of premium, sustainable textiles, with accents of carefully created wood or composite. Ergonomic comfort would be given top priority in seating, with haptic feedback and customizable climate control perhaps included. The 2026 Apple Motorhome would be a smooth technological continuation of the Apple ecosystem. The command center would be a central, large-format Retina display that would combine extensive car controls, entertainment via Apple TV+, and navigation via Apple Maps. With Siri's extensive integration, almost all onboard systems could be operated hands-free. With the use of cutting-edge 5G and satellite communication, connectivity would be omnipresent, guaranteeing easy access to internet services from any location. The motorhome would also probably have sophisticated driver assistance features, which might open the door for future autonomous driving capabilities and blend in perfectly with Apple's continuous developments in machine learning and artificial intelligence. The 2026 Apple Motorhome would probably have an all-electric drivetrain that makes use of Apple's knowledge of energy management and battery technologies. Important factors to take into account would be range and charging infrastructure integration, maybe including inductive charging capabilities and smooth interaction with Apple's intended network of charging stations. One of the main principles would be sustainability, and integrated solar panels might be used to augment power usage. Essentially, even though it is only a concept, the 2026 Apple Motorhome offers a convincing idea of how Apple's unique approach to technology, design, and user experience could revolutionize the market for high-end recreational vehicles. Its subtle elegance, smooth technology integration, and emphasis on designing a unified and user-friendly mobile living space would define it.